Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I really was planning on doing a tutorial video today, and I thought I had it all decided, so I need your help. So all right, I really need your help. So I was going through and I was about to do palindrome, but then I saw lambda. And then I remembered, like right when I was about to hit the record button, I remembered a comment about taking the playlists. So I need some feedback on this. Should I redo? So we'll narrow this down to two choices. Should I take some old playlists and revisit those? So basically the comment was having a hard time finding certain material, and I thought that was an interesting comment, and then the request was to put it into a longer video. So I want to remind everybody that there are a ton of playlists that you can come through here, like strings. There are 40 videos of anything referencing a string, and then I think everything referencing dictionaries, 49 with lists. So and I actually had so many there that I was hearing that a lot, that there were too many playlists, that then even the playlists were hard to go through. So let's take this question as redo, because palindrome I think needs to be done. That's a good topic. Lambda, I haven't done that video in a long time, but I want to redo that because that can be very challenging. We've gotten, I think, 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers since I did that video. So the question of the day is take playlists, possibly redo those, make a longer video content, or first. So we're going to do both. I just want to know which one we want first. Or go back and redo old videos, revamp them like palindrome or lambda. So there we go. All right. Because look, just to remind you, this is your channel. You guys have helped me be this successful. I'm not going to change. Like, some of the best ideas that are being done here have all come from you guys. So that's why I want you guys. This is your channel. This is the content. I had one awesome comment that they know most of this stuff, but they still seem to find something out of it. And those are the type of comments that I live on for months. So you guys are awesome, truly supportive. So there we go. All right, to remind you, playlists, longer videos, or redoing of older videos. We're going to do both, but which one do we want first? Drop a comment down below. We'll give you a week and we'll go there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.